is it this one really a sunscreen?
Yeah, it
I thought
is.
it's a...
Halo guys, aku lagi ada di Malaysia sekarang. Mungkin ada beberapa yang udah tahu kalau Azarine goes to Malaysia. And aku hari ini mau melakukan challenge kepada orang-orang yang lagi belanja di Watsons. Karena Azarine sudah bisa didapatkan di Watsons di seluruh Malaysia. Benar-benar sudah ada di 700 cabang Watsons Malaysia. Tapi aku penasaran apakah orang-orang di sini itu sudah pada tahu Azarine, and apakah mereka hari ini udah pakai sunscreen. Terus pendapat mereka soal sunscreen kita itu gimana? So langsung aja, let's find out. Let's go. Halo, excuse me. Have you wear sunscreen today?
Oh no, because I'm going to skin treatment, so I cannot apply.
Oh, you cannot apply, but do you want to try it in your hands?
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Yuko.
Yuko, you're so pretty. So I'm from Azarine, and Azarine is a skincare product from Indonesia. We would like to know what you think about our product.
Because I didn't hear this product before, so maybe I can try. Yeah,
This sunscreen is for dry skin, actually.
I can feel it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What do you feel?
Blend it very well. Absorb quickly. You see, it really absorb very fast. Yeah. Full of water. You see, two hand different. Yeah,
try
I will
this?
try. I will try. I think is it this one really a sunscreen?
Yeah, it
I thought it's a moisturizer. Moisture is the best because my face is very dry, so I prefer for the moisturizer sunscreen.
You can get our products now in Watsons. I want to give you free product for you. Thank you so much, Yuko. See you.
Tak melekit.
Tak melekit. Iya, macam tak white cast juga ya. No white cast ya.